Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Berlin here, aka Roselle FX, and sorry, guys, for you know. Oh, I forgot I have a mic now, but sorry, guys, I haven't posted in about 4 weeks. But the good thing is, I like completely upgraded my setup. I literally have like a streamer setup now, and is gonna really help, to understand what I'm seeing at the end of the day, and it's gonna be a clearer image, coming up from my end. I'm super excited about my newest setup, like, and I like built my whole I built like a whole new computer, bought the parts, build it myself, and it's gonna be able to edit like videos, like high quality videos, and I'm just super excited to start making better YouTube videos for you guys, and just liking how my YouTube videos come out at the end of the day. Um, so I actually did post my computer build on my Instagram, but if you guys don't follow it, I don't even I only post it on the story. But today's video is gonna be like me back testing, and you know trying to back testing, and yeah, seeing how much like pips you guys could have caught like these past 4 weeks. But I think I'm gonna just choose a couple days and just back test. I don't want the video to be like super long, but thank you for watching. All right, so yeah, I've learned a lot about this OBS. So like I could switch between scenes. Like it's pretty cool, and yeah, and I just been learning about all that stuff these last couple of weeks. But I heard that you could switch between scenes like easier if you have a stream deck, and yeah, that's gonna be like my next little purchase. Um, but all right, let's get to trading view. All right, so all right, I have like this big monitor now. Like I'm really loving it. It's a Samsung gaming monitor. Like yeah, I'm just really like loving my whole setup right now. Are you here? It's actually, yes. Alright, so this indicator here that you guys see, I have like this new indicator here it's a higher high, lower low indicator. It's a live indicator, and it shows you your previous highs and lows. I used to use this a long time ago, but I feel like it's good for like beginners to use, and also like I could use it too. But like if you guys don't know where your previous high or low was, like this helps you like figure that out. And it goes by like the hour. It's pretty cool to see like where your previous higher highs and lower lows, or high lows, low highs are in the market. But sometimes like for example, like over here and over here, I would think, but I would think this was a new structure here that was formed, because but I guess in the lower time frames, it does show, yeah, it did show this was a newer lower high here, because it definitely broke like this structure here. And this, let's see if it shows that. Yeah, this shows that on the 15 minute this was a new one. You see what I mean? Like how I kind of saw that already, that this was like a new structure here that was broken. But this is very good for my this indicator. It really helps if you're trying to find fake outs in the market. like, or continuations. If I go over here, you guys know, let me see, this is your support or resistance, right? And let me take the brush, and my fake out setups are usually like this, like, right, it's like it's on a key level, and then it comes back up and it pretends some people will automatically buy here, right? But no, like, and it comes all the way back down, and I'll enter for a sell here, so it could keep going. So it's like it's continuing to go down, right? So the market's downtrending here, and it gives you a new lower high, right? And then it breaks this lower high, thinking like, oh, okay, the trend has changed, we're doing an uptrend now. But no, it didn't change. It's just faking you out to go back down. That's like my setup, my fake out setup. So all right, it's like that. All right, so like this day on Thursday, November 3rd, around on Asian session, if you we're just back testing, we're just seeing, what the market did. And this is your lower high, right, that was created when Asian session opened, and it did the same thing. It was down, it was a downtrend, right? The market was going down, and it made a new structure here. That's your new lower high, right? And it came down, and you would think like, it's going up because it broke the previous structure. But no, it was like a fake out, and it created a new high. But like, it didn't give you the retest, to come back up. So if it's like a little trend line break you're waiting for to go back up, yeah. So like the only way I would have entered this if it gave me a retest or that trend line. The retest is a retest, like retest of your previous structure to go up or go down, and it gives you a trend line break too. It gives you a flag pattern. Like, your retest usually gives you a flag pattern. Hold on a second, my grandma's calling me. Oh shit. All right, so I just talked to my grandma, but yeah. So what I'm saying is that bullish flag patterns and bearish flag patterns are like the same as retest. You know, it's the same. Yeah, bullish, in my opinion, when I'm viewing this chart, so bullish flag pattern and a bearish flag pattern is the same as a retest, and when it breaks out of that pattern, it continues. It's a continuation pattern. It's a retest pattern. So it helps to have both. Like, it helps to just draw it on sometimes for me, but I should use the eraser tool. But yes, the only way to enter this trade was to wait for a retest to keep going up. But no, it broke. It gives you this big engulfing candle, and it broke, and it gives you like a little like continuation pattern here. It's This is one of my favorite continuation patterns. Like, it happens a lot. A continuation for a bearish market is a red candle, and for a bullish market, it's a green pattern, candle pattern. So all those things help to know, to like help you get into a trade, or get into like put a second position onto a trade, or have a little more confidence to hold your trade. So all those things help. And my fake out pattern, I'm not saying it's like 100% like winning. Is not like 100%. When you put your your trend together with the system, it really like helps a lot. Higher time frames, like higher time frame highs and lows, like it will really like help you a lot, because this is a higher time frame low to me right here. This low could not, like, a market could not keep under this low, and it didn't give you a good retest here because it didn't come back to the low, and it didn't give you a good retest, and it didn't give you a pattern here. Like the pattern would have been like right here, right? Like something like right like this, so it could come out and break that, and so you could have more confidence, to be in the trade. But it didn't keep under it, and came up, and it came up at midnight on Friday. On Friday was NFP, and it came right back up. uh Sometimes it came right back up. Where's my measuring tool? Anyways, it came right back up, and you could have entered. You could have entered right here on the 2 a.m, or you could have entered right here on midnight. It depends on what you want to see. Let's see if it showed us something better on the smaller time frames. If how you could have entered. You could have entered right here. You see this? Clone. You could have waited for this break and a retest of the trend line, and you entered right here at 4:30 a.m. But here, let's go to the Hakinashi and see if we can make these lines cleaner. The Hakinashi helps you make your lines cleaner, and boom, like you have a good retest here. If you guys are not confident about like what the candles are showing you, hold on a second, my family is calling me. All right, so yeah, so the Hakinashi helps you like, stay a little more confident in the trade sometimes when this is happening. like if you put your, like, if you made your trend line hit the wicks, and you see this big engulfing candle coming back down, like you like don't be worried and stuff, because your stop loss should have been, if you entered from this candle, you would have a big ass stop loss. You would have had your stop loss under this candle, and it would not have came and knocked you down out yet. But you did find a retest. There was a retest here. There was a other entry here, and here there was a other entry right here too. And yeah, so if you enter it at 4:30, 4:45, and you could have caught freaking 124 pips potentially, if if you put your take profit up here. It came right to this high, and yeah, that's was a fantastic trade, and that's how fake outs could give you 100+ pips if you use your higher time frames too. And AUDUSD I've been trading in lately, and I like how AUDUSD moves, because I used to trade GU and GJ all the time. I do still trade them sometimes, but I've been sticking with AU and even NZD. And GU is still a great pair to trade, but right now I haven't been on it as much because of this. Like, for example, this move, like this is a 30-minute move, and it already gives you 60 pips, and I'm not used to GJ moving like that. I'm not used to GJ moving like so volatile. So yeah, fake outs are very nice, very nice. I used to watch Oh no, my camera is dying. Great. But yeah, I used to watch videos in the past and they would tell you breakout trading is the worst, and I understand now why breakout trading is the worst. But there's so much more fake outs than breakouts, and retest are very good trades to retest. All this stuff um is literally simple forex. You know, it's how people have been trading forex from like, I guess, the get-go, and it's none of that new stuff. I just trade forex like, you know, what the books teach you, and just add my little, like, tweak it up a little bit, you know. And I try to get like this this year is me not trying to like rush into trades and stuff, and changing my strategy up. But well, thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.